Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to plus 2 physics class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is electric charge and field. Okay, electric charges and fields. Okay, in this chapter we are going to study about electric charges and electric field or fields. Okay, first of all, we are going to discuss the topic electric charge. Okay, the electric charge or the electric charge is two types, or it is found experimentally that the charges are two types. Okay, one is positively charged or positive charge, and the second one is negative charge. Okay, that is, there are two types of charges. One is positive charge and second one is negative charge. Okay, negative charge. And the unit of the charges is coulomb. Okay, coulomb is the unit of charge or electric charge, and it represents as the capital letter C. Okay, capital letter C. Okay, that is, the electric charges or charges are two types. One is positive charge and second one is negative charge, and the unit of charge is coulomb, and it represents as C. Okay, represents as C, the letter C, capital letter C. Okay, and a simple device or a simple apparatus to detect on a body or detect the charge on a body is called gold leaf electroscope, or the gold leaf electroscope is used to detect charge on a body. Okay, charge on a body, that is gold leaf. Okay, gold leaf electroscope is a device used to detect charge on a body. Okay, this is a simple structure of, or this is the gold leaf electroscope. A gold leaf electroscope consists of a metallic rod. Okay, a metallic rod placed in a box. Okay, placed in a box. Okay, and the two ends of these metallic rods are, one end is connected a metal knob. Okay, a metal knob is connected at one end, that is upper part of this metallic rod is connected a metal knob, and the lower part consists of or connected two thin gold leaves. Okay, two thin gold leaves attached to its bottom. Okay, and as shown in figure. Okay, as shown in figure. Okay, this is the structure of our gold leaf electroscope. Okay, that is, a gold leaf electroscope is a device used to detect charge on a body. Okay, it consists of a metallic rod. One end of metallic rod is connected a metal knob, and other end connected two thin gold leaves. Okay, two thin gold leaves are attached to its bottom end. Okay, its bottom end. Okay, next, how it work? This electroscope is how it work, or how to detect the electric charge by using this electroscope. Okay, listen. Next we are going to discuss the working of this electroscope. Okay, that is, you see this figure. Okay, in this figure, that is, when a charged object, okay, when a charged object touches the metal knob. Okay, when a charged object touches metal knob at the top of the rod. Okay, metal knob at the top of the rod. Okay, the charges flow on. The charges flows on to the leaves and they diverges. Okay, when a charged object, a charged body is touches metal knob, okay, metal knob at the top of the rod, that time the charges are flowing to the leaves and the leaves are diverges, that time the charge will produced, or that time we detect the charge. Okay, the degree of divergence is indicator of the amount of charge. Okay, that degree of divergence. Okay, divergence is the indicator of amount of charge. Okay, this is the simple working of this electroscope or gold leaf electroscope. That is, when a charged body touches the knob of the electroscope, okay, electroscope on top of the rod, that time the charges are flowing to gold leaves, that time that gold leaves are diverges. What is the meaning of that diverging? The charges are produced or the charges are detected. Okay, that is the degree of divergence is an indicator of the amount of charge. Clear? Okay, next we are going to discuss some terms related to our charges. Okay, the first one is conductor and insulators. Okay, conductors and insulators. Okay, in our daily life we are using different types of objects. Okay, or different characterized objects are using in our daily life. Okay, to the flow of electricity or the flow of charges, the objects are divided into two. One is conductor and second one is insulator. Okay, conductors are those substances which allow passage of electricity through them. That type of objects are called conductors. That is, if an object is passing electricity, that object is called conductor. Example, metals. Okay, metals like iron, aluminium, silver, then nichrome, etc. Okay, then water will conducting electricity. Okay, that is, the conductors are those substances which allow the passage of electricity through them. That type of objects are called what? Conductors. Okay, conductors. Clear? Examples, iron, aluminium, silver, then nichrome, then water are examples for what? Conductors. Then what is insulator? Those substances which do not allow passage of electricity through them. That type of objects are called insulator. That is, an object do not passes or do not allow passage of electricity. That type of objects are called what? Insulators. Okay, insulators. That is, the objects are two types according to electricity, passage of electricity. That is, conductors and insulators. The conductors allow to pass the electricity and insulator do not allow to pass of electricity. What are the examples for insulator? Rubber. Rubber is a example for insulator. Then wooden block or woods. Okay, that is dry woods. Okay, woods, then plastics, etc. Okay, that's our insulators. Is it clear? Okay. Next we are going to the next topic, that is earthing or grounding. Okay, earthing or grounding. Okay, that is when a charged body, okay, when a charged body is brought in contact with the earth, all excess charge passes to the earth through the connecting conductors. Okay, listen, when a charged body is brought in contact with the earth, all the excess charges, that is negatively charged particle, okay, all the excess charges means negatively charged particles, that is excess charges passes to the earth through the conducting or connecting wire or connecting conductor. Okay, through the connecting conductor. Okay, this process of sharing the charges with the earth is called grounding or earthing. That is this sharing, the sharing of charge. Okay, this sharing of charge with the earth, okay, charges with the earth is called what? Grounding or earthing. Okay, that is the earthing provide to electric circuit and appliances. Okay, this earthing or grounding is provide protection to electrical circuit and appliances. Okay, in electric appliances or electric circuit, you see the wire, a green wire. Okay, that green wire is our earthing wire. Okay, or you see from our meter board now, that is kilowatt meter. From that kilowatt meter, a conducting wire is into earth, connected to earth. That is our earth wire. Okay, or in a 3-pin plug, you see a thick and lengthy pin. Okay, in 3-pin plug, that thick and lengthy plug or pin is called earth pin. Okay, earth pin, that is it protect our appliances and what? Electric circuit. That is the earthing or grounding provide protection to electrical circuit and appliances. Okay, clear? Okay, then next we are going to discuss the topic charging. Okay, how to get a charge to a body. Okay, charging of a body. Okay, a charging of a body, or a body can charge it in different ways. Okay, a body can charge it in different ways. Okay, one is charging by friction. Okay, charging by friction. And the second one is the charging by conduction. Okay, charging by conduction. And the third one is charging by what? Induction. Okay, charging by induction. One is charging by friction, second one is charging by conduction, and third one is charging by induction. Okay, from that the first one is charging by friction. Okay, charging by friction. Okay, the first one of charging method is charging by what? Friction. Charging by friction. Okay, charging by friction means when two bodies, listen, when two bodies are rubbed each other, when two bodies are rubbed each other, the electrons in one body is transferred to second body. Okay, that is here I am rubbing these two bodies. From this body, electrons are transferred into second body. That time what? The charge will formed. The first condition, these two bodies are neutral. If we rubbed that time this body transfer electron to this body. At that time the electrons are emitting body will get positively charged. The electrons emitted body get positive charge and electrons gained body will get negative charge. Okay, for example, listen, I am taking two bodies, that is one is glass rod and the second one is silk. Okay, glass rod and silk. Okay, at that time when this glass rod and the silk, okay, when glass rod is rubbed with the silk, okay, I am rubbing the glass rod with the silk, that time some of the electrons from the glass are transferred into silk. Hey, listen, one of the electrons, okay, one of the electrons from the glass rod transferred to silk. Okay, hence glass rod get positive charge. Okay, that is the glass rod is emitted electrons, therefore glass rod get positive charge. Okay, at the same time the silk gained what, that electrons, therefore that silk will get what, negative charge. That is the glass rod get positive charge and silk will get negative charge. That is at that time the charging will occur. Okay, this is the first one, that is the charging by friction. Okay, charging by friction. Okay, and the second one, what is charging by conduction? Okay, charging by conduction, that is charging a body with the actual contact of another body. Okay, actual contact of another body is called charging by conduction. Through contact, okay, through contact, that is charging body with the actual contact of another body is called charging by conduction. Okay, charging by conduction. Okay, that is if a neutral conducting body A, in this figure you see the neutral conducting body A is brought in contact with the positively charged, listen, positively charged body B, that time the neutral body get positively charged. Why? Because this neutral charge is contact with the charged body. Okay, positively charged body, that time this body will get positive charge. That is the charging by contact. Okay, charging by contact or charging by conduction. Okay, conduction. Clear? Okay, and the third one is charging by induction. Okay, charging by induction, that is the phenomenon by which a neutral body gets charged by the presence of neighboring charged bodies. Okay, not through contact. Okay, not through contact, that is a charged body or the neutral body will get charged by the presence of neighboring charged body is called what? Electrostatic induction. It's also called electrostatic induction. That is, this process is charging by induction. Okay, charging by induction. Okay, okay. And next we are going to explaining this charging by induction through an experiment. Okay, for that here you see a figure. In this figure you see A and B are two metal spheres. Okay, that is, place two metal spheres on an insulating stand and bring it to contact. Okay, first case in this experiment, this two metal spheres are placed on an insulating stand and bring in contact as shown in this figure. Okay, and the next step, bring a positively charged rod near to these spheres. The free electrons in the spheres are attracted towards the rod. Okay, attract towards the rod. Hence, one side of the sphere becomes negative and the second side becomes positive as shown in the figure. Okay, you see one side of the sphere A is negative and the other side or the second side of this sphere is positive. Okay, and the third step is separate the spheres by a small distance by keeping the rod near to the sphere A. Okay, you see in figure the sphere A is little move from B. In first case A and B are contact each other, but here we separating these two sphere by a small distance by keeping the rod near to the sphere A. Okay, the two spheres are found to be oppositely charged. Okay, oppositely charged as shown in figure now. Okay, okay, next remove the rod. Okay, remove the rod. The charge on sphere rearrange themselves. Okay, you see the diagram, that time the charges are rearranged. Okay, if the rod is removed, that time the sphere rearrange themselves their charge. Okay, that shown in figure now. Okay, that is in this experiment what you get, in this process equal and opposite charges are developed. Okay, in this process the equal and opposite charges are developed. In the first case the charges or the charge are neutral. Okay, the object is neutral, but now A get negative charge on one side and B get a positive charge on the other side. Okay, that is the charges are developed on each spheres. Okay, this is the process of what? Charging by induction. That is, from these sessions we get some properties of electric charges. What are the properties of electric charges? That is, the electric charges are two kinds. One is positive and negative. Okay, then another property, important property is like charges repel and unlike charges attract each other. Okay, like charges repel, that is positive charges are repelled. Okay, and unlike charges, that is a positive and negative charges are attracting. Okay, that is like charges are repelled and unlike charges are attract. Okay, and the third one is the two kinds of charges, positive and negative, really opposite. Okay, the combination of charge of a charge plus q with the negative q result in a net charge equal to 0. Okay, that is the positive and negative charge sum or the net charge will get 0. Clear? That is the amount of positive charge and negative charge we adding to we get what? 0. Okay, that is two kind of charges is positive and negative are really opposite. Same quantity but opposite. Okay, therefore the net charge is what? 0. Okay. Okay, I hope you all are understand today's class. Today we discuss electric charges and how to charge it, okay, of a body, and some properties of electric charges are discussed in this session. Okay, thank you.